Email is one of the most powerful modes of business communication. However, despite being an integral form of communication, there's a lapse sometimes. Hitting send accidentally, sending emails to the wrong recipient, and more. For any kind of mistake, Zoho Mail will come to your rescue. Zoho Mail offers helpful solutions such as undo send, outbox delay, and email recall. In this video, we will see how to use email recall. Launch your browser and go to zoho.com/mail. Log into Zoho Mail. Use email recall when your message has reached the recipient's inbox and need to be retracted. Here, I'm sending an email to a colleague along with a spreadsheet on our marketing budget to get their opinion on the budget allocation. After I send, I realize I have forgotten to attach the spreadsheet in the email. It's at times like this that email recall comes in handy. To recall the email, go to the Sent folder and select the email that needs to be recalled. Click on the Delivered symbol and click Recall the email. Click OK to confirm the email recall. An attempt will be made to recall the email. Once the email is recalled, the delivered status of the email changes. To resend the mail with attachment, click Edit as a new draft. Make your changes and then send. This option needs to be used within 30 minutes of sending the email for the email to be recalled. Also, you can only recall emails sent to recipients who belong to your organization. Email recall is an exclusive feature that is available only for paid users and on the webmail interface. If you aren't a paid user, upgrade now to use the email recall feature. Thanks for watching this how-to video. Subscribe to Zoho Mail's YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos in the how-to video series. If you have any questions, please write to support@zohomail.com.